Hello, crypto world. Tuesday afternoon, the stock market just closed and it closed down. It was down much more during the day and it rallied back, but there wasn't much excitement in the equity market as we had negative economic numbers and the whole tariff situation continues to be unclear. And just like the stock market basically didn't do anything, and the same thing was going on in the treasuries. And to show you how relatively neutral things were, look at the 10-year. It's basically unchanged. When's the last time you saw that? And of course, when interest rates don't really move, the dollar literally barely moved. And even gold was up less than 0.25%. The markets are subdued today. Now let's jump over to crypto. Unfortunately, we're in red land across the board in crypto world. Now, this is simply a reflection of the fact there is no positive new news about crypto, and the whole equity market was taking risk off. Now, there's a couple of interesting news items. Many people will remember that recently $9 billion worth of Bitcoin were sold. And it was from a wallet that was from Satoshi's era. Now, guess who bought most of it? Strategy, Michael Saylor, that's not shocking, and Trump Media. So that was who absorbed the huge movement of Bitcoin. And the company Galazy that sold that $9 billion for the Satoshi era wallet made a very interesting statement today. He said that the crypto treasury wallets, you've seen a lot of companies put crypto on their treasury wallets, has in effect peaked. He doesn't believe it's going to continue and increase. Now, that's an interesting observation coming from him because he's obviously in the market. However, I'm going to put a footnote. He's referring to public companies, and I am of the opinion that countries will inevitably put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. I can't tell you when, and it's possible that they won't, but the President of the United States at the Bitcoin 2024 conference said that he planned to have the United States do that. Bottom line, crypto today did what the other markets did, but because it's crypto, they did it in a percentage-wise greater because crypto has more volatility, more downside motion, if you will, particularly in the altcoins. But I feel that Novograt's statement that there will not be more corporations putting Bitcoin on their treasuries or other cryptos really remarkable and unfortunate, though, as I said before, I hope and believe that we will have countries begin to do that.